Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, you are going to watch part 3 of the chapter What is Democracy? Why Democracy for the Standard 9 from the subject Democratic Politics. What are you going to study in this video? You are going to study in this video about the important questions which you have to prepare for the examination. So can we start now? Here are the important questions which you have to prepare for this chapter. Question number 1. Differentiate between democratic and non-democratic government. Question number 2. How can we say that General Pervez Musharraf destroyed democracy in Pakistan? Number 3. What was PRI? Highlight 4 dirty tricks played by it to win elections in Mexico. Fourth one, can Zimbabwe be called a democratic country? Give reasons to support your answer. Question number 5. Describe the key features of democracy. Question number 6. Give examples of the countries which do not provide equal rights to vote. Now the question will be continued in the next slide. Question number 7. Explain the demerits or shortcomings of democracy. Question number 8. Describe any 5 merits of democracy. Question number 9. What do you understand by the broader meaning of democracy? Explain. Apart from these 9 questions, you have several application-oriented textbook-based questions. That question also you have to prepare. From there, you can expect in the side of choose the correct answer, or for the comprehension based questions you may expect. So preparation from the textbook based exercises is very important. To understand the concept clarity, here in this chapter you have certain cartoons. So this slide and the upcoming slides are going to give the explanation about the cartoons which is given in the textbook. To begin with, the first cartoon is about the nation Syria. Syria is a small West Asian country. The ruling Ba'ath Party and some of its small allies are the only parties allowed in that country. Do you think this cartoon could apply to China or Mexico? Here is the answer. Again, the cartoon suggests that there is no true democracy in Syria. Yes, it would suit China and Mexico also, where no opposition parties are allowed to contest election. It is a symbol of victory. In Greece, the reward to the winner was this crown. Here, the crown suggests that democracy has won and demands justice, but the one-party rule is denying this right to the people of Syria. Another cartoon. This cartoon was titled Building Democracy and was first published in a Latin American publication. What do money bags signify here? Could this cartoon be applied to India? Answer. This cartoon suggests that democracy is in the hand of the rich. They control the country. No, there are laws which see to it that the rich do not get the upper hand. Here is another cartoon. This cartoon is about the Iraqi election held after Saddam Hussein's regime was overthrown. He is shown behind the bars. What is the cartoonist saying here? Compare the message of this cartoon with the first cartoon in this chapter. The cartoon shows the end of dictatorship in Iraq where Saddam ruled unchecked. People rejoice at elections being held. But the first cartoon shows that people do not have a real choice. They are forced to vote by the powerful US and its allies. The next important cartoon is about the nation, China. Chinese government blocked free flow of information on the internet by placing restrictions on popular sites Google and Yahoo. The image of tanks and an unarmed student reminds the reader of another major event in recent Chinese history. The cartoon reminds us about the massacre in Liananmen Square in 1989. In April 1989, triggered by the death of Hu Yobang, a liberal reformer. Mass gathering and protests took place in and around Tiananmen Square in Beijing. It was largely a student-run demonstration which called for economic reform and press freedom. The Chinese government brutally suppressed the movement, for which it was internationally condemned. Dear students, with this slide, the three videos of what is democracy and why democracy is getting over. So to watch my upcoming videos, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the future notification, share your comments in the comment section. Now we'll start the cartoon explanation. This cartoon is from Brazil, a country that has long experience of dictatorship. It is entitled The Hidden Side of Dictatorship. Which hidden sides does this cartoon depict? Here is the answer. Hidden side of dictatorship is massacre, or opposes the policies of a dictator is kill. Since the dictators control the media, the public never comes to know the number of people killed. The last cartoon. This cartoon was drawn in the context of Latin America. Do you think it applies to the Pakistani situation as well? Think of other countries where this could apply. Does this happen sometimes in our country as well? The answer is, this cartoon shows the booth capturing with a gun. This can be applicable in Pakistan, Iraq and Myanmar, where people are forced to vote. Booth capturing by the people standing in elections happens sometimes in our country also. So with this, three videos about the chapter what is democracy and why democracy is getting over. With this chapter is completed, and this is Kalyani signing off. Stay connected. Bye.